Hi everyone, hope you liked the last video on my travel journey experience from Delhi to Sydney via transit at Tokyo, Japan. This might have given you an overview of the difficulties and way outs for smooth travel plan to Australia. Today's video is about sharing my experience at the quarantine facility hotel in Sydney where I stayed for 14 days. After arriving in Sydney, we were taken directly to hotel by NSW officials. Our hotel was Mantra Sydney Central. It was kind of an apartment with lounge, kitchen, dining, balcony, and much more. All the people who were traveling with family were taken to the family apartment hotel, and I was one of those. Let's see how the apartment facilities look like. Near the main entry door, there is a big spacious lounge area with the TV to enjoy some Australian local channels. It is very much needed to engage kids. For food, hotel staff will drop the meal outside the main door. They will just knock and you need to put your mask on and can pick only after 30 seconds. Then there is a bathroom near lounge area for QQs. Now you can see a small balcony. There is another bigger one from the bedroom which I'll show when I get there. This is a dining and kitchen area for daily use. You will have induction cooking, microwave, kettle and mini bar fridge. I think this is a lot. Now I'll show you the bedroom. It has a bathroom attached to it. With kids, it's very useful to get the things quickly done. It's big enough and there's a bathtub too. It's time to see my favorite place, the balcony from room. This is what I liked in this apartment, that you have an open space to take the fresh air early in the morning. This is the benefit when being with family and government assign the quarantine facility according to your need. So please make sure you do mention if you are with family in Australian travel declaration and speak when asked at Sydney airport after landing. You can't see much from balcony, but there are some buildings visible, few peoples of hotel in their balconies, and at least the sky, rain and breeze. This is some of the food that we got in hotel, and if you want to change meal preference, you can do it by scanning the QR code provided in welcome leaflet page and follow the instructions to provide your choice of food. You can order food or any other delivery from outside. It will be delivered to your reception counter and will be provided to you by hotel staff. Important thing is that only one delivery per day is allowed. You can also use induction to do basic cooking if you want. Cooking utensils are available. You can use them. There will be 3 COVID tests taken by NSW health authorities during the quarantine period. It's on day 2, day 7 and day 12. After every test, if there is a positive result, then they will call you, otherwise not. These tests are mandatory for everyone above 1 year. On day 13, doctor will come to provide the COVID test reports and check overall health. Finally, they put a tag around your wrist, which means you are free to leave the quarantine on day 14. After reaching your home, you need to take another COVID test on day 16 from COVID center near to your place. A day before leaving quarantine hotel, two big empty polythene bags were kept outside our door. We should put our bed sheets, towels, or any other things in those bags and leave them inside the apartment close to main door. Hotel staff will also confirm through call about the expected time to leave on day 14 so that they can arrange the luggage movement and exit. Here you can see we are outside our apartment and we kept our luggage in this trolley given by hotel staff on the exit day. You just have to walk towards the exit and the luggage will reach directly outside the hotel by the help of staff or army person. When we reached outside, we could see another batch of travelers getting out from bus to hotel. Police were observing them so that the local people doesn't interact with them. This is the beautiful moment of reunion together. Yay! For everyone who are waiting to reach Australia and to meet your loved ones, I wish the day comes soon for you. If you have any questions, please leave the message for me in comments. I would be happy to help you guys. Thank you.